I want you to check out these apartments. Totally, there are 4 apartments with 2 bedrooms each. They also have other facilities. Let's check it out. Let's check out the rooms and the other facilities. The interiors are done up very well. Take a look. Let's check out the bedroom now. We'll also have a look at another apartment. Well equipped washroom, neat and clean. Let's have a look at some other facilities also. For relaxation, you have a playroom for your family and kids. Table tennis, caroms, chess, pool table, everything at your disposal. Friends, check out our channel. You will find a lot of information which is very helpful. You can also order food. The menu card is here. This is also a yoga center. We'll have a look at another apartment also. Hardly 2 minutes walk to the cliff and all the happening places. The beach is very close by. My friend, by the way, subscribe to our channel. It doesn't cost you anything. It will be always helpful for you. For the apartment, the charges are non-AC 5,000 and AC 6,000 for 2 bedrooms and all the facilities. You can take individual rooms also. You speak directly to the owner and get it done. I'll give you the telephone numbers also. Call them up directly. Share this video with your friends who would like to visit Kerala.